Dear children, I am going to narrate an interesting story based on Tangram. The ancient Chinese story of the Tangram is that a sage, a wise old man, was to take a precious sheet of glass to the king who needed a window in his palace. The square piece of glass was wrapped in silk and canvas and carried in the sage's backpack. The journey was long. The sage crossed a desert and rivers. He traveled through forests and fields. He arrived at a rugged mountain range and climbed to the summit of a high rocky peak. At the top of the mountain, he looked into the distance and glimpsed the palace he was traveling to. Pleased that he had almost arrived, he stumbled and tumbled down the side of the mountain. The glass was broken. When he met the king, he told of his journey and admitted that the glass was broken. The square glass was unwrapped from its silk and canvas case, and the sage was surprised to see that glass was not shattered but divided into 7 geometric shapes. The sage moved the shapes around and made images to describe his journey. He showed the king his home, a camel he had seen in the desert, monks he met on his way, a boat on the river he crossed, and the mountain range where he fell. The king enjoyed the geometric images and had the shapes recreated in wood. This is how tangrams were invented.
Hello children! Just now you all have heard about the story of tangram. So shall we learn how to cut those shapes from a square sheet? So let's get started. Materials required for this activity are an A4 size sheet, pencil, scale and a pair of scissors. First, we will fold the A4 size sheet into diagonally and cut out a square sheet. Same way we will fold on the other side also, diagonally. As we fold, we'll draw the shapes. We will fold this corner to the center. And this corner again to the center. Now we will fold this sheet to the center. And we will press here. We will cut out these shapes. Now we have two big triangles, one medium sized triangle, two small triangles, one square and one parallelogram. These shapes are called as tans. So, using these tans, shall we rearrange and try creating few structures? Now, this is a rabbit. Shall we create a cat? Now, here is a cat. Children, why don't you try creating few more structures like this using this shape? Hope you'll enjoy doing this activity. See you soon. Bye.